Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where we're here in Great Yarmouth and Charlotte's back. Here we go, the sun is shining. It's August 2022 and let's face it, it wouldn't be summer here on Theme Park Worldwide without coming to Great Yarmouth, would it?
You've got to come back.
I absolutely love my annual visit over here. We're going to be starting off in this vlog at Joyland, the children's amusement park that you can see there behind us. It's got a little roller coaster that you can see up there on the mountain, some classic rides like the Snails.
There's some really good stuff.
Oh yeah, I absolutely love this park. It's a childhood classic. So yeah, we're going to be heading into there shortly. The next vlog coming up will be from Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach, that's just down the road. And then tomorrow, we're going to be at Pleasurewood Hills as well.
The classic.
Yeah, so every time we come to this part of the country, we like to make the most of it. It's about a 3.5 hour drive for us from the Midlands. So we like to come here, support the attractions, and of course, get as much in as we can do. So yeah, come and join us in the lovely sunshine here from Joyland. Now Joyland is located down here on the seafront, right next door to Britannia Pier, that you can see there on the left hand side as well. It's a free to enter amusement park, and yeah, it's tiny, but it's got lots packed in, including some absolute classics. Yeah, here's some information about the park. Cannot wait to get back on the absolutely awesome Super Snails here as well. Oh, what are you going on? Not the tweeters.
What a classic.
That is like our childhood right there. This whole place is, honestly, I remember coming here so much as a kid. I love it. Like, it's just a staple of summer coming here to Great Yarmouth. Yeah, here's the nice entrance. In terms of tokens, all rides are 1 token per person, whether you're a child or an adult. And yeah, tokens are £1.50. So it means that each ride only costs £1.50 to go on. And yeah, they actually do different deals there as well. Your super value bags, so yeah, you can get a £15 bag and get 12 tokens, or a £30 bag to get 25 tokens. So yeah, obviously you got different options available, and depending, you know, how many kids you come in with, or big kids of course as well. Yeah, it opens daily from 11 AM down here at Joyland as well. Yeah, it's always a joy to get back to this lovely little park. Yeah, we're going to get our tokens over here. Just want to say thank you to the management here at Joyland for giving us some tokens today so we can get on the ride and of course bring you some on-ride POVs. We really appreciate it. You got some lovely historic pictures of Joyland just here as well. So much history to this place and the attractions that they've got. And yeah, this is really nice. See Noah's Ark just there in the middle. Obviously that's now where the mountain is, with Spook Express on the top. The children's speedboats just down there, a carousel. Yeah, lots of change here over the years. But obviously you can still see Britannia Pier over there in the distance. Lots of classics still remain at this park. That's what I really like. It's a quaint, cute little park this is. Here we go there. So we're going to start off with a classic ride here on the Super Snails. I do absolutely love these. In fact, they got the little dicky bows on as well. Yeah, I always remember riding this with my parents. Love coming back here every year. It's the nostalgia of this place. I know it's the same for a lot of people as well, who always comment on our videos and social media posts. It's the nostalgia of Joyland. Here they come. Lovely little Super Snails. Right, let's take you on with the POVs. Go and have a ride. Here we go. Say hello to the little bunny rabbits just in there. Be a rabbit, everybody. Right, here we go. On the Snails in the lovely sunshine. Yeah, we've got some nice weather for it today down here in Great Yarmouth. It's looking good the next couple of days actually, which will be nice. Hey, the question is it a coaster credit or not? I mean, you know, it's got drops. Is it a power coaster? Some people class it, some people don't. But no matter what, it's a good fun ride. Hey.
I like his antennas.
Yeah, they are cool, aren't they? Neptune's Kingdom. Got a little dart ride around there as well. There we go, yeah, starts off just a nice little tour around the back here. You think, oh, there's not much to it. And of course you come around this corner and you get the little airtime hills, little drops. Ooh, here we go. Hey! Shake, rattle and roll. Whoa. Woo. Oh, I like all the little gnomes at the side. Like. Hey. Oh, what a classic. You get to the corners, you think, are we making it round? Oh, oh fantastic. Lovely little ride. Yeah, it's such a cute little park. There's things like all the flowers around. And I just really like it. It's just a small little nostalgic park. Here we go. Whee! Thank you. You can get a photo at the end. coming here to Great Yarmouth and having a ride there on the Super Snails. It's such a fun family ride.
Honestly, there's so much fun, like all the drops and stuff.
Yeah, the Great Army. Yeah, more intense than you think as well, actually, on there. I always remember when I was a kid, you know, my mum having to really put her arm around me, you know, because of all the big drops and stuff on there. Like when you're a kid, like, that's really thrilling. Oh yeah, they do. I mean, you look at it now and think, blimey, the drops are quite small, but when you're a kid, yeah, it's such a classic. 1949 that was designed as well. So yeah, it's a nice older attraction, and it's nice how they've kept that here at the park as well. There's another old classic ride from 1949 just round the corner. Absolutely love this one. You get a good spin. The Tyrolean Tub Twist.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're going to have a ride on there. This way to the Tyrolean Tub Twist. Oh, absolutely love it. But yeah, an absolutely fantastic ride down here at Joyland. You get a good spin all the way around here. And as you can see, you make your way kind of up a lift hill round at the left-hand side there, and just zigzag back and forwards around this section here with the tub actually spinning round. And the best thing about this is it spins in one direction, and then it actually kind of stops and then spins the other way as well, which is really good fun. And yeah, I've noticed some of the tubs spin better than others and things as well. You know, that's the thing with these older rides. They've got a lot of history, a lot of heritage. Yeah, it's just nice to see a good Virginia reel. And it's still actually the only one of these operating anywhere in the world. Obviously, Blackpool Pleasure Beach used to have a Virginia reel. It closed way before I could go and ride it, unfortunately. But yeah, I would have loved to have done that. And I actually think there's demand from a lot of the bigger manufacturers to maybe bring back and revitalise this sort of classic attraction. I'd love to see that in the future. Here it comes. Yeah, imagine like a bigger version of this now in this day and age. I think it would be fantastic. And with the technology out there, manufacturers could definitely do it. Yeah, I really think it could be fantastic. Well, here we go. Go and join the queue for the Tub Twist just over here. Yeah, like I say, every ride is one token. So it's £1.50 a ride, which, you know, is nothing in this day and age now. What can you get for £1.50? Barely a Greggs sausage roll at a service station. You know, they're about £1.40 on now, aren't they? So there you go, like £1.50 for a ride. And that's been the key to their success here, I think. They've always kept the prices quite low and affordable, which is really nice, and it keeps people coming back for more. You know, I love coming back here every year. Yeah, showing you what there is. And yeah, the offering might not really change, but I'm glad that it doesn't. You know, it just keeps going the classics just here, 1949. So we'll take you on the Tub Twist. Let's go. Hey, we got some fans of the channel here enjoying the ride. Hey, up we go. So like I say, it comes around this corner and makes its way kind of up the lift hill just over there. Here we come, our tubs just here. Let's go on. Oh, the beaver's watching us just there. I like this little water effect you have in the middle here as well. Whoa! Yeah, there you go. You feel like you're going to go one way. You just go the other, don't you? Like you just think, oh, you know, we're nice and comfy going this way, then it spins you around. That's what it's all about. Feels like ages since Charlotte's been in a vlog. Nice to have you back, Charlotte. I've missed you at Disneyland Paris. But we have got something exciting coming up, haven't we?
We have. We're going to Florida.
Oh, I know you can't wait.
So excited.
You even got the Stitch Spirit jersey on there. Here we go. That's what I mean with this. You think you're going one way, then it'll spin you the other way. It's actually quite intense, this is. Oh! When you think like over 70 years old. Oh! Ah! Hey! Watch out for the trees. It's more intense than you expect, isn't it? Whoa! Oh, we're on it. Oh! Right there, Charlotte. We got a good spinner here today. Watch out for the trees, branches. Whoa! Back this way. Whoa! Oh, it's getting hit by the branches. So much fun. You actually get quite dizzy, don't you?
Yeah, you do.
That was a good spinner, that was. Whoa! Watch out for the bushes. Oh my God. I'm really dizzy after that. That was crazy. Well, what a lovely little ride that is. You've got the little frogs down here. Oh, fantastic. Oh my God, that felt like it was running better than ever, to be honest. That was spinning really fast, but absolutely fantastic. What a classic. I just thought I'd show you out the front here as well. Hey, you've got a couple of other smaller rides, such as the Ferris wheel over there as well. And yeah, we step into the giant book just over here, and into the world of Neptune's kingdom just here, where you sit on a seahorse. Yeah, all this theming. It's really nice. Moby Dick just there. Fancy reading about Moby Dick, Charlotte?
Moby Dick.
There's the book. Here we go, lovely little seahorses. Another little little vintage ride here at the park. There we go, straight on. All the classic signs, no hats, no smoking on the ride, please. Oh. Is that supposed to be Sebastian? I feel like they've done even more changes in here actually, improving the theming, which is good. Nice big octopus. Lovely old magical star cloth there as well. Yeah, just to think you've got a coaster running round above you. Shout with the shark. Yeah, they've definitely painted a lot of this up. Hey! Oh my god, it's Sean and Charlotte from Theme Park Worldwide. Hey! Yeah, they've done some more changes in here. Very nice to see. Oh, that was cool. Did you see? Yeah, it was on the toilet. It was like Pepper's ghost effects. That was cool. And there he is, Neptune himself. Lovely little dark ride. It's only about a minute in length, but yeah, they've made some changes. That was cool. Yeah, with the Pepper's ghost effect. Of course, Disney made that very popular. Yeah, it's nice to see them including that here. Yeah, with the skeleton disappearing. I think he was on the toilet at first, then he just disappeared. Love the changes that they made there in Neptune's Kingdom. Yeah, really good to see. Especially the Pepper's ghost effects. Did you enjoy that?
The skeleton, that was really good.
Yeah, it's only a small little dark ride, but it's alright.
Which is nice.
It's quite magical with the music.
Very
Star cloth.
A lot to look at.
Yeah, all like the UV painting there that they've done. Yeah, fantastic to see. There we go, got the little pirate ship round this side as well. And yeah, we're just joining the queue for the coaster, the Spook Express. Are you feeling spooky, Charlotte?
So spooky.
Spooky season, believe it or not. It's not far away. I can't believe it, to be honest. Like the fact we're nearly Halloween, like it's crazy.
My favourite time of the year.
And where's our Halloween going to be starting?
Halloween Horror Nights.
Oh, that's the thing. Halloween, when it starts out at Halloween Horror Nights, that's always the highlight. So I cannot wait for it. There we go, we got Franklin's sign up there on the roof here at the Spook Express. Yeah, we'll take you on with a POV. And it's a nice scenic ride, this is. Yeah, some great views looking over the park, Britannia Pier, and also the seafronts here in Great Yarmouth as well.
That's cute.
Here we go on the front row of the Spook Express. Oh, great view here in Great Yarmouth. Gorgeous beach here as well. Here we go, Vampire Valley. Woo! Oh, it gets a bit dark in here. Woo! All the memories of riding this as a kid. You gotta think, if it wasn't for this coaster, may not have found lovely coasters and theme parks. Coming to Great Yarmouth for my summer holidays every year. Woo! It would be really nice to see them add some lighting effects in here. Woo! And there we go, that's the Spook Express. Lovely ride there on the front row of the Spook Express. Did you enjoy that?
It's really good, the indoor section.
Yeah, it is. I'd love to see some more theming and effects in there. Maybe like some kind of electricity effect in there would be quite cool. Or lightning effect possibly. Here we go, we're on the jet cars down the stairs. Have a nice ride round. Whee! Yeah, this is another one of the older classics here at this park. So you just got to come on if you come into Joyland. It goes quite fast actually around the corners when it builds up a bit. Here we go. Hey! So yeah, Yeah, the dark ride, Neptune's Kingdom, is literally built the other side of that wall, and the coaster's on top. There's one of the cars. Bullseye! Hey! Charlotte loves Bullseye.
Love it.
You know what I love though, don't you, Charlotte? It's round this corner.
I know who you love.
It's Stinky Pete. I love Stinky Pete. Comment down below if you think Stinky Pete is one of the most underrated Toy Story characters. There he is. Stinky Pete needs a ride in my opinion. Like when I go to Toy Story Land in Florida, Stinky Pete, you don't see him. I want a ride, Stinky Pete ride. You have the smell pods and everything. Really cool. Here on the jet cars at Joyland. Whoa! Hey! Yeah, sunshine here. It's always got a lovely atmosphere down here.
What about Slinky Dog?
Slinky Dog! Yeah, but Slinky's got a ride. Slinky Dog Dash. Nice, you ride on the jet cars. A nice ride round there on the jet cars. Another classic here at Joyland. But yeah, they're the major attractions at this park. Like I say, it's only small, but they pack a lot in, which is good, into a very small site. Here you got the little Ferris wheel, and also the little spinning ride just down here as well.
How much?
Delight getting back to Joyland here on Great Yarmouth seafront. It's a lovely little park.
It's really, really nice. Fun for all the family.
It is indeed, and it's got some real historical attractions, especially the Snails and also the Tub Twist from 1949. It's great that they keep them classics going here at this park. Absolutely love them. And then of course you've got some of the newer rides here at the park, such as the Spook Express, some of the flat rides, and yeah, I always look forward to coming back here. It really is a lovely little park, and the good thing is to keep the pricing really fair.
Yeah, I think it's a really good price.
In fact, it's the same price for a child or an adult,
exactly.
£1.50, absolute bargain. Obviously, you know, with inflation and that sort of thing, it wouldn't surprise me if it goes up. However, no matter what, you know you're getting a good deal here.
Exactly.
What can you get for that price these days?
I know, that's the thing.
But crazy. But thank you so much to the park for having us down here. We really appreciate it. And also, we've donated a nice little gift for us, haven't they? Here we go. So this is actually a nice little coaster wheel from the Spook Express. Yeah, look at that. There you go, it's a bit of a close-up of it. That's from the Spook Express. You might be thinking, blimey, that's tiny. Obviously, it is only a small coaster. Obviously, the park, big fans of the channel, so thanks for watching, we appreciate it. And yeah, giving us that for our new World of Theme Parks. Yeah, really kind of them. I'm sure you'll see that coming up later this year to watch this space in a brand new collection. But there we go. Thanks for joining us in this vlog from Joyland. Up next, we're going to be going to Pleasure Beach.
We are.
It's just down the promenade just here, only a short 15-minute walk away, and also we're checking out their Coaster Cabana event, which will be great.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, it should be nice, getting back on the classic coaster down there, all the other rides, they've got some new additions, and of course seeing the event. And then the next vlog, the third vlog from this trip, will be from Pleasurewood Hills as well. But there we go, thanks for joining us here at Joyland, and that leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding! See you in tomorrow's video.